boys. Oh. Maybe not.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
Well, you want to watch me? Go get it.
The boy who lived has come to die.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Guys, I think my cat is broken.
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
Oh.
Meogo, dice. Meogo. Meogo.
Толя не умеет забирать ветчину из рук.
Bark at your dog.
He didn't get hurt.
Beast, Omar. You look like such a pretty...
Look at this idiot.
Excuse you, can you just go around the other side and kind of just gently hold on to him? He's got a leg.
What's going on? Dude, our dog.
Quavo, ready? Help. Go. Got it? That's it. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it, Quavo. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Oh. Oh, I'm
I hear it. I hear it.
I love it! It's a really cute bag.
Fucking little cat does the rock me.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow.
No, давай. Бэтмен или Человек-паук?
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry.
Imagínate que luego...
Aw, hi little kittens. I thought I could hear you.
Holy shit!
I can't wait to learn to ride a bike.
You're not learning how to ride a bike at 73. We're not.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Let the rooster do it. Oh, you're supposed to keep it in your hand.
Nice ride.
No. No. No.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Please. Please.
Get out of here. There's nothing for you, Max. We can see you. Maxwell!
Biddy. So every time we hit our water ball, our cat comes charging at it and attacks it. So we did it on purpose this time to see what he would do. It's gotta cool off still. It's gotta cool.